In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for freelance work management. Whether you're juggling multiple clients, tracking project progress, or simply trying to stay organized, Airtable offers a powerful yet flexible solution to help you manage your workload effectively. To get started, you'll first want to create a new base in Airtable. This base will serve as the foundation for your freelance management system. I recommend naming it something descriptive and functional, like Freelance Business Manager. This will not only help you easily identify this base among others, but also set the tone for a structured approach to managing your freelance work. Once your base is created, it's time to set up the core tables. Think of these tables as the essential categories or aspects of your freelance business that need to be organized. You might want to include tables for projects, clients, tasks, invoices, and any other crucial elements relevant to your work. Each table will allow you to track and manage different components that are vital for keeping your freelance operations running smoothly. Having established your core tables, the next step involves creating useful views within these tables. These views will act as customized lenses through which you can focus on specific data pertinent to your current needs. First, let's discuss setting up an active projects view. This view is particularly useful for staying on top of tasks that need your immediate attention. You'll want to add a filter to this view to exclude any projects where the status is marked as completed. What this does is ensure you're only seeing and therefore concentrating on tasks and projects that are still in progress. Next, you'll want to create an overdue tasks view. This view will help you keep a sharp eye on any tasks that are lagging behind schedule. To achieve this, apply a filter that captures tasks with due dates that are earlier than today's date. By having this information readily accessible, you can quickly identify and prioritize tasks that might be slipping through the cracks. Another important view to consider is the unpaid invoices view. For freelancers, keeping track of your finances is crucial. Set up a filter that displays invoices where the payment status is not marked as paid. This will provide a clear snapshot of outstanding payments, allowing you to promptly follow up with clients if necessary. Finally, let's talk about the high priority work view. In the freelance world, not all tasks are created equal, and some will demand more immediate